Everyone. In previous video, I talked about Laravel contextual binding. Today, I'm going to talk about another type of binding called typed variadic binding. So what is variadic? Let's see some code. If you look into the message controller we have been using for a couple of videos, the constructor function has a message service type parameter. The variadic means we can use the triple dot operator or spread operator to capture a variable number of parameters. So if we append the triple dot operator prepend to the message service variable, it means that we can capture multiple message service type parameters passed to the constructor function. Anyway, it will be an array of message service instances. In this case, the message controller can use multiple message services to send information. I can use a variable services here to hold the array of message service passed into the constructor. Then services, message service. Okay. Now how can we inject the dependency to this controller? In my use case, I may want to use email message service and WhatsApp message service. I want to use both of them to send message. In this specific case, I expect to see two log entries: sending message via WhatsApp and sending message via email when we make the API call to the message send endpoint, which points to message controller send function. Okay. Here we can say for each services as service send. Okay, so this is how I loop the services and make this send function call to each service. Now, how can I inject multiple message service dependencies to the controller? We need to go to the service provider. As you can see here, we built or bind the email message service implementation to message service interface in message controller. This is what we defined here. Now we want to bind multiple or pass multiple dependencies to the controller. Here what we can do is we can use multiple, we can pass an array here, new message service. Okay, two services passed to the message controller. Okay, now let's make the API call and see the log. You can see in this API call, there are two log entries: sending message via email, sending message via WhatsApp. Let's try to make another one. So let's copy, paste, rename the message service to, let's say, text message. Okay, text message service constructing text message service, sending message via text. So just present it just for demo purpose. Now I'm going to service provider and add one more implementation of the message service interface to the give callback function or the closure. Now let's hit the endpoint again, see the logs, sending message by email, WhatsApp, text. So this is how we can implement binding typed variadics. So this is what we called the typed variadics. So this is how we can inject dependency to this constructor. Okay, hope it helps. That's it for today. In next video, we are going to talk about other concepts of Laravel. So probably this is the last video about binding. If needed, we will talk more about it in the future. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.